From hearsay from employees, we heard there was a drug deal that went down with one of our dishwashers in salad prep.
This is all coming from employees, but again,
just word of mouth. I'll be honest with you. Someone said that you have a gun on you. Do you have a gun on you?
right here, this one. I guess. I thought it was a girl though. Okay.
The 30th of July, 2022, Lake County. Officers responded to a restaurant after employees reported a co-worker was armed and had conducted a drug deal on premises.
Hello, how you doing?
How are you, sir?
What's going on?
So, from hearsay from employees, we heard there was a drug deal that went down with one of our dishwashers in salad prep. Sold them like $150 worth of fake meth. And then,
This is all hearsay.
Yeah.
This is all coming from employees, but again,
Just word of mouth?
yes. But again, somebody uttered the phrase that the one guy had a gun, and if he's got a gun on his person, I really don't want to address the situation. Normally, I'd be like, you guys are in a drug deal in my parking lot. What's wrong with you? I'm gonna fire your boat. If he's got a gun, I really don't want to address a situation like that at all.
which we were just about to pull one of those gentlemen into the office to write him up for something that happened the other day.
If you want, we can go back there. I can just ask a few lines if I've had enough weapons. Check him out that way. If he's good to go, then you guys can handle your business there. Is that what you want?
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay. Alright, here's the deal. There's a bunch of hearsay saying this guy's selling drugs right there, this washer guy. They said he's got a gun on him, supposedly. Approach him, just, they tell him not to reach for anything, make sure he doesn't grab or anything like that. Ask me if I must have enough weapons.
This is all consensual encounter.
Pretty much, yeah.
And again, restaurant, hearsay, but
Yeah. But just to like help them.
I'll direct you. I'm gonna get everybody else.
What's his name?
His name is Zach.
Zach?
Yeah, he's tall, skinny kid with long hair.
Hello. Hey, Zach. Is it? Your name's Zach? Okay. You're not in any trouble or anything, alright? That's all you know. Is there, can we talk to you for a second? There's somewhere we can go back here? I just want to talk to you. Okay, so I'll be honest with you. Someone said that you have a gun on you. Do you have a gun on you? Was that? Okay, do you have a concealed weapons permit? No? Alright. You're not in any trouble right now. We'll just go back here, okay? Alright, don't reach for anything, okay? Alright, put your hands on the wall. Can I at least put your hands on the wall, okay? Alright, where's it at? Just tell me where it is, okay? I'm gonna grab it.
So I have gym shorts on, but they have a zipper. It's in the right side.
On the right side?
The right side, sir.
But you're not under arrested. I'm just detained.
Yeah, spider on your back. Hold on.
You're just detained, all right?
Yeah, but I know what this means. Can I at least make a phone call?
1 second, alright?
You're not under arrest. That's what I'm trying to tell you. This is just for safety.
Can you at least step outside so they don't see?
Yeah. Is this outside?
I have a belt on, so that's what I was trying to say.
I got you. Is it loaded?
There's rounds in it, but it's not loaded, no.
Okay. Just wanted to get it off here real quick before we start talking to you, alright? Just make us feel more comfortable.
I'm gonna read you some of your rights, all right, real quick?
Wait, if I'm not under arrest, then why are you reading
I always
my
do
rights?
it, just in case if it leads to something.
Before we ask any, how do you get this belt off? Don't reach for it, but
Alright, it's like you gotta like,
pull the other side out.
yeah, because it has like these things on it.
Oh, I remember these belts. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now? All right, man. This is your chance to either walk away.
Okay, so it was a consensual encounter. Went up to him in the kitchen. They said there's some words going around. Hearsay saying he had a gun on him, did a drug deal in the parking lot.
I'm sure he's probably going to be fired after today.
The drive-thru's right here, so be careful. I just secured the weapon.
Surprise!
I just.
Do you guys allow your employees to carry?
No.
While you're here? Okay. That's part of it because it is private property. If you guys were to allow them to carry, we're kind of, up Good Creek. But if you guys have a policy saying that they're not allowed to, then
Yeah, we have 2 other managers that keep in the car. So
right. Okay.
Alright, Zachary, you got anything on you that can try to poke any of us?
No, but I do have a gun.
Dab pen? Anything illegal in it or? You have a medical marijuana card?
Well, I need to make a phone call.
You will.
Not right now when you get to jail.
I don't know the number.
When you get to the jail, you're gonna have
So they let you get your numbers out of your phone.
Hey, who's playing the Cops theme song? Come on now. Too soon? Huh? Too soon?
That's what I said too. I'm the one that played it. Everyone's like, oh man, what are you doing that for?
Anything inside that bag?
Yeah. No, nothing illegal. But can I please call my mom, man? Because that's all I want to do.
What's your number?
Hey, I'm getting arrested.
For what?
Carrying a concealed firearm.
Carrying a concealed firearm.
Gotcha. I'll go figure. Alright, well, we gotta... No, we can't do anything.
Alright, you're going to Lake County Jail. Anything else you need to tell them?
I'm going to Lake County.
Alright, love you.
I saw one, but it looked like it belonged to a woman.
That's it.
Okay.
Can I put my pants a little bit?
I'm like, I gotta get this here. I'm yelling.
Oh, right here. This one.
I guess? I thought it was a girl though.
Okay.
What we doing?
Alright, I wasn't sure that was yours. I was like, that looks kind of like a woman's company. But you got anything in there, man?
Illegally, no. Can I have someone that's 21 and not a felon pick it up?
That's pinkish?
I didn't know what type of color that is.
Tan.
Tan?
Yeah.
A wallet. You want that to go with you?
Everything's wrong with me, right?
You want all that stuff to go with you?
Yeah, who's gonna take it?
He said
I was asked if you want to leave it to someone to pick it up.
I don't trust no one.
Our area director, who just told him that there is a clause in our handbook saying it's against our
He says that whenever he got employed here, I guess there was a packet that he just signed a bunch of stuff in, and he said it may have been that. He goes, but I have never been verbally told that I'm not allowed to carry here. You guys have one of those packets?
I can print it out.
Doesn't have to be verbally.
Go get on the phone.
Packet, no signs.
It will fall, print out our handbook.
Yeah, I think we're good. I just want to get that packet.
Okay, I'll go back and print it out for you.
Yeah.
Okay. I do have another employee here who is going through, the felon and this and that. He just informed me, we're not talking about we're telling everybody in the restaurant, but I was talking to him trying to figure this out because I know his situation. And he said if y'all were to go back there right now and run his legal name that's on his license, you wouldn't find shit off him because he was processed under his father's.
He said that he got in a lot of trouble where a lot of the information that's coming from is that he got a lot of trouble whenever he was a juvenile. And so since he's been an adult, because we ran him through all 50 states and everything like that.
Oh, I'm sure he's done his job.
Yeah, it's not coming up.
Okay, but he said he signed an employee packet.
He's saying he signed an employee packet up on being employed.
And you're saying the employee packet?
Yes, that's what I was just told by my area director.
All right,
Yes,
so
sir.
I need to see that. So
Give me a minute and I'm going to the office and get on it right now. Hey, anything we run out of, we're 86 right now, okay? There's food in the bag, if you can get that, but, right? Okay, there's some right there, just get a cup, soup it, do what you gotta do.
I do have a question. Does someone know what will happen to that firearm? It's not stolen or anything like that.
No, so here's the deal. Because the firearm is technically used in the commission of a crime, right?
Oh.
Because you have it on your person, you're being charged with carrying a concealed firearm, all right? So we keep it until after court's over with. You guys keep it.
Because I'm facing felony charges.
Well, then if that's the case, and if you get convicted with it, then you don't get the gun back. That's right. I said, have you done any online training? He was like, what do you mean? I just so like, whenever you get employed at Walmart, before they put you out on the sales floor, you have to go through a whole online training thing. Did you have to do that here? He goes, I don't think so. And I said, well, it's a pretty knowledgeable answer. It's either yes you did or no you didn't. She goes, well, there was a packet that we signed. I said, did you see it in there?
Then they said it's an employee
And
packet.
he said it's in the employee packet.
So-
and I just signed it so that I could start a job.
And I get it. We all do that. I mean,
Okay.
when you go buy a mortgage, you don't read all those papers. I get
Right.
it. But
ignorance doesn't support the hypothesis.
It's not a loophole of
Now, here's the other situation we're in now. Possibly moving forward. How did we find out about this call? It was from another employee.
So, employees have stated that the rumor going around was that he was selling dope out of the back of the business and that he possibly had a gun on him.
Do we have proof that he's doing it today while having the gun? Do you see where I'm going with this?
I see. Yeah, I see where you're going. I don't know
possession of firearm.
Commission of a felony. I don't think so because they said that this has just been a rumor that has been going around.
And he just happened to call us today because he was here.
Because one of the girls that I guess is, from my understanding, is at work now or is at work earlier, does not feel comfortable around him.
And he didn't have he didn't have it wrapped for sale or anything. It was just his own personal amount. Yeah, then I'm not going to push that out.
So I would go with just, I mean, we got to go with on trespassing now, right?
That's what Adam said. It's on trespassing.
So that's, thank you. My store and they refused to get out.
So we have the copy of that page. We're looking for his file now that he signed when he got hired.
Because they can say, hey, technically you're trespass, in violation, you're fired, in violation of your first offense of a policy. Therefore, he's no longer welcomed on these premises because he's no longer employed here.
I ain't running. If I was gonna run, I would have been
It's not you.
Yeah, they broke. You may have to have these cut off, man. There's a piece of metal stuck down in here. Go see if they have a paper clip in there. Is your handcuff key?
Yep.
I want to see if a piece of that broke off. You got yours in there, didn't you? I got it.
Yeah.
Get you a new pair of handcuffs.
Oh, no, I'm not sure.
A freaking piece of metal broke off and got stuck down in there.
We are going to go ahead and trespass.
You guys are?
Yeah.
Okay, you go fire him. I mean, I know he's part-time, but let him know that he's not welcome back here.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want me to do that?
No, we will.
Okay.
I just want to make sure.
Yeah.
What's his first name, Zachary? Hey, Zach, here's your deal, man. You're no longer employed here neither, and they're going to go ahead and trespass you from the property. Now, I know how many. You've got one last check coming to you, right?
Yes.
Do they put that in direct deposit, or do you actually get a paper check?
I get a paper check.
Okay. So when are you supposed to get paid next?
2 weeks.
In 2 weeks. All right. So what you can do is before you come up here to get your paycheck, call us. All right, and say, hey, listen, I need to go pick up my paycheck from my place of employment. They have me trespass from there, but I need to go up there and get my check. All right, call us. We'll come out here. We'll meet with you so that you can get your check, and then you can be on about your business. All right, or F you, whatever. Go to jail.
Was this stop constitutionally lawful? Did Miranda attach in time? And when does carrying a firearm cross from a protected right into a felony offense? Officers described the initial contact as a consensual encounter. The moment they said, put your hands on this wall, the encounter became a Fourth Amendment seizure. Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 11968. A brief investigatory detention is lawful when officers have reasonable articulable suspicion that criminal activity is afoot. Multiple employee reports of an armed subject who conducted a drug transaction on premises satisfied that threshold. The stop was constitutionally valid under Terry. When the firearm was removed and the subject was directed outside with multiple officers present, he was in de facto custody. Miranda attaches to custody, not to formal arrest. Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 4361966. Reading rights proactively before interrogation begins. Insulates subsequent statements from suppression challenges at trial. Florida Statute 790.01 subsection 2. Carrying a concealed firearm without a valid concealed weapon or firearm license is a third-degree felony punishable by up to 5 years. Florida constitutional carry was not enacted until the 1st of July 2023. At the time of this incident, a license was legally required to carry concealed. Officers declined drug charges. Hearsay from co-workers about a past transaction does not meet the probable cause threshold for distribution. The decision was legally sound. Ignorantia juris non excusat. Ignorance of the law is no excuse. The subject signing an onboarding packet without reading it does not constitute a defense. Lesson 1. Consensual encounter is a legal standard, not a label. Florida v. Bostick, 501 U.S. 4291991. Courts apply the objective reasonable person test. Lesson 2. Miranda custody is determined by totality of circumstances. Proactive advisement before interrogation begins is always the safer legal practice. Lesson 3. Probable cause must precede every charge. Declining an unsupported charge is not weakness. It is accuracy and professional obligation. Outcome. Arrested for carrying a concealed firearm and possession of THC oil. 4 months later, a K9 unit found 13.1 grams of methamphetamine on the same subject.